welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DAIJA Monique, and I am back with another video. So today is gonna be this quick and easy little neutral glam kind of thing, you know, highlight pop and all that good stuff. Sorry I'm so close to the camera, but I'm trying to talk to y'all. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Everything that I use will be listed down below in the description bar. Make sure you go down there and check it out. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media accounts, which will also be linked down below in the description. And if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching, because I'm back with another video. And I have some more videos coming for y'all, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment what you want to see next, and also make sure you join the family and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you're notified every time I post a video. And I love you guys so much, so much. Make sure you guys continue watching to get this look, and I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. All right, so right now I'm just about to moisturize my face. And I'm gonna spray it with this Aloe Rosewater, and I mixed it with some witch hazel right here, Dickinson's witch hazel. This one has rosewater in it and it's alcohol free. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back, and then yeah, then we can really get started. So okay, y'all, so I'm back. Don't know how I'm feeling about my eyebrows today, but they never come out looking the same anyway, so whatever. So yeah, this is as good as my eyebrows are gonna get for today. I'm gonna prime my eyelids really quick, and I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I actually have not used this in a while, so even though my eyebrows aren't fully symmetrical, I do like the way that they look. Yeah, don't come for me in the comments, whereas whatever. I don't got time. And I honestly don't care about your opinion. If I'm being completely honest, because I'm just at that point in my life where I don't care about what other people have to say. Which I should have felt like this a long time ago, but who cares? Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using is my Morphe 35O palette. This is an OG. See this brown right here? I'm gonna start with that. I'm just gonna tap my brush in there. This is gonna be my transition shade. It's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row, and it's the second color right here. I'm going to use the color Road Trip. If I flip it upside down, it's this color right here. I'm gonna use this color right here. It is a shimmer shade, basically. I don't know how to explain. I'm gonna take this color and I'm going to place it onto my lid. And this is going to be my lid color. I don't know why, but I love to put a shimmer shade on my lid because it gives a little pop. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put my lashes on. I'm back. That's basically what I had to say. So now we're gonna move on to the skin, which I'm kind of excited about, but then again not excited because my skin turns out different every time I do it, and that's what makes me scared. So let's just go straight on into it. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. I'm scared because I don't know how my face is gonna turn out. I also have an updated skincare routine coming for y'all, so be on the lookout for that. I have no idea what foundation I'm going to use today. It's probably just going to be my matte and poreless foundation from Maybeline. I'm in the color 360 Mocha. It does not look like my color, but it is, I promise. Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I have not used this brush in a while to do my foundation, so I'm using my Stila Stay All Day Concealer. It is in the color 1013. I'm just about out. I hate that, but it's okay because we're gonna get through it, and I'm just gonna continue using it until it's all gone. I'm using this flat brush. I don't know where it's from yet again. I'm going to use my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Please don't mind the way it looks. I know it's messed up, but it's because when you have a baby brother like mine, he tends to get into his stuff, and when he does, it looks like this. I'm just gonna spray my Witch Hazel and Rosewater on this beauty blender. So now that that's all blended out as best as it's gonna get, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Well, the place that I concealed, I am going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going to use the Sculpt shade. I'm going to use a little bit of this. I'm not going to use too much because it can make my face look yellow, and I don't really like that. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this to set the places that I concealed. Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 Mocha, like my foundation, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. And I'm going to use this huge fluffy brush. This angle brush and my contour palette again, and I'm going to go into the contour shade and I'm going to contour my face. The same brush I used to conceal, but I'm going to use the opposite side. It's round and pointy at the same time, but I'm just going to use that to contour my nose a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh, now you gonna fix her? Yeah, a whole bunch of people here. Kobe and his girlfriend here.
Who?
Kobe and his girlfriend.
Oh, Kobe.
Yeah. He wasn't talking about something. I never did.
I thought you said Kobe. You might say. Hey, everybody keep coming in. I'm trying to record. Okay, so after being interrupted like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, I am going to highlight my face now with my highlight shade in my black Radiance contour palette. Alright y'all, so to add a little bit more, you know, pop, some more highlight to my face, I'm gonna use Apricot Glow by e.l.f. This was like $2, maybe $3. I keep getting interrupted because my best friend is trying to call me, but when she calls, it's not connecting, so it's making me mad. And I'm gonna take this small flat brush and I'm going to place that highlight on my brow bone as well. Like so. Alright y'all, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw on some lip gloss. I'm not really trying to do nothing extra today, just some lip gloss. And this is from e.l.f. It's their lip lacquer and I highly recommend y'all get it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face and then I will come back and show y'all the finished look. Alright guys, so this right here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a video. And I love you guys so much. The Diva is out. I will see you guys in my next video. That I ain't smoked in 3 days. I'm doing better, okay? Be happy. I wish my mama would give me my highlight back. She shows finessed it and ain't gave it back. Can you go out so I can say this next part of the video? No. Let me go get my clothes on. What the fuck? Ugh. Can you like cut it off? I'm just looking for something. It's just an ad.